Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find archived email in Gmail. Let's start. At first, you have to open your Gmail app, and after that, if you guys want to archive email, just tap on the email and then scroll like this. Then you can archive email. After this, just tap on the menu bar and then in here you can find out a lot of options. Just tap on all emails and then you guys can find out your all emails here as well as your archived emails. And then if you tap on the email, then you can find out this easily. So this is how you can find out your archived emails in Gmail. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.